要问你，为什么你在寻找你的新伴侣的时候定了那10个条件呢？你为什么定了10个条件呢？
Ben hayat özlemgimi şunda qattiq talab qo'yaman. Ben özlemning hayotimga, muhabbetimga 10 shartni qo'yishni qaror qildim. Chunki har odam o'ziga o'zi ishonish kerak, o'zi bilan shu shartiga loyiq odam bilan yashash kerak.
Because normally even if from my life I put kind of very high condition or requirement for my living or for my life expectations, and that's why everybody has to be confident and believing himself or yourself. That's right. Even for the love, that's why this is the kind of condition that I would put.
Mening xalqim qattiq ezildi. Men shu sargardonchilikni chaqirdim. Shuning uchun mening yo'lishim Sidiqa ashundaq bir kuchli odamning men bilan birlashib, ashundaq bir ezilgan, dunyodagi ezilgan millatlarga yordam qilishni oldingi shart qo'ydim.
My people suppressed a lot. I have been through all that my people have been through. And that's why actually with my husband Sidiq Haji together, that's the condition that actually I put before the love, my life with my husband Sidiq Haji.
Hazır ben bu 10 şartı koydum, ben de ahırda yan bir gibimi ulap etmem. Tayvan hükümeti çokum haytidin özünün hatasını tutup, biz to'g'rilib bütün Tayvan xalqiga va bütün bizga mushu gapning xato ekanligini qaytarib olsa, ben yanada Tayvan hükümetiga çokum yana orqamda chekinaman deydilar.
The last I just would like to add that if Taiwan government retract or take back whatever they announced or stated about me, I still really hope that
Tayvan'dan orqamda chekinaman. Tayvan hükümeti o'zininki xatoligini tunup, shuni bütün Tayvan xalqining oldida e'lon qilib, shuni xato qildik desa, men yana orqamda chekinaman.
If Taiwan government publicly state that whatever they have said and done is wrong, I definitely back down and still, I hope that everything would be fine, yes.
And yana buluplu İçki İşler Komitesi'nin prezidenti İçki İşler bölümünün aşı sözü ilan kılan adam özü çıkıp ilan kılış gerek.
And I hope that the Interior Minister who said or who announced that statement should announce or state publicly that whatever they have produced or said is not right.
Şimdi ben bunu Tayvan halkının canı bir kıtım iltimas kılıyorum.
I request from Taiwan people to assist achieving in that.
Hem Tayvan kanununda iltimas kılıyorum.
And also I request from the law of Taiwan and the Interior Minister should accept or should kind of apologize and tell that whatever they have said is wrong.